Hello guys, and welcome back again to Linda's Home and Style. And I know it's been a while since I did a cleaning video, so today guys we just want to clean. And yeah, we want to clean the cooker, actually to steam clean it. Then we're also going to wipe down the fridge, remove our curtains and machine wash them. And then I just want to share with you the products I usually use for my washing machine for cleaning my curtains. So welcome guys.
Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie.
Hello guys, and welcome back again to Linda's Home and Style. And in today's video we just want to do a cleaning motivational video. So what we want to start by first is to clean the cooker, and we are going to steam clean it. I think I've shared before how I usually steam my cooker just to make sure like nimetoa ile uchafu yote yenye inakwamanga huko like in between the burners. Yeah, and then we want to like deep clean the curtains again, and we are going to use the washing machine to deep clean the curtains. So I just want to show you the products I use to deep clean my curtains and how I clean them. And lastly we are going to clean the fridge and just rearrange it kidogo. Yeah, fridge stay clean like a deep clean or an extreme clean, no. And it clean to juju. So guys, if you come across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and let's grow together. And for the fans of this channel, I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for the support you show, and just continue being there for us, and let's grow together. So guys, this is the steamer that I'm going to use. Yeah, it is the steam mop again, if you've been seeing the videos that I usually post. So yeah, it can come out and become a steam, like a steam robot or something. And these are the brushes that you put here depending on what you're cleaning. So yeah, let's start. And I just want to show you the cooker. This is what I want to target today. Yeah, this ones, yeah, this to that here. Hizo ndo nataka zitoke leo. So yeah, let's do it. We see how it goes. So guys, it has been a while since I cleaned this cooker, and yeah, first thing I did is to attach the brush nozzle. This is a very tough brush, and yeah, I was just trying to scrub the dirt off. And mostly why I use this steamer to clean my cooker is it can remove the excess oil that in a remaining yuku kwa bana huku katikati. It can blast off those oils very well. And sometimes if it's hard to come out, I usually add the pink stuff to it, and it really helps a great deal in cleaning my cookers.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can.
So guys, I was doing each burner each at a time. So I was steaming each burner, like I steam it, I clean it, I dry it, then I go to the next one. And I did all this to the 5 burners that I have.
Do my own moves, no, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have some.
So guys, you can now see clearly the essence of having this steamer in your house. Yeah, you can see it's removing all the cream and the fat from my cooker, like ile mkono yako haiwezi fikia itatoa. So that is why I love it so much, and it makes work very easy and you don't have to struggle. Again guys, I don't like suffering. That is why I invest so much in my gadgets.
Somebody wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to talk. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. Yeah, I just want somebody. Somebody to talk to.
So I ended up steaming the cover of the cooker because you guys know pia hii nabebanga like the extra fat after you've cooked. So yeah, I was just cleaning it to make sure it's also sparkling clean with no fat residue.
Talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool.
So guys, I don't know if you've noticed, like the knobs of the cooker also do carry a lot of fat residue. That is why I was also using the steamer to like blast away the dirt. And then this is now the final look of the cooker after I have cleaned it, and inakaa poa. It is just super clean. So guys, I just want to wash the fridge, yeah, to clean it juju, but I just want to open it muone vile inakaa before we organize it. Inakaa hivyo. Kuna vitu zinafaa zitolewe, and like it's just disorganized, yeah. So basically what we want to do is just to like clean, we arrange everything. Vitu kama hizi dania zenye zimechapa tutoe tutupe. Kama hii, whatever, we can clean it out. And this side is the freezer. I don't know if I'll manage to like organize this side too, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, so we can start, yeah. And I'm not turning it off, guys. I'm not turning it off because I just want to wipe. So nitai wipe tu ikiwa on, haraka haraka tumalize hii story. So when I'm wiping down my fridge, the first thing I do is just to remove everything from the fridge, like shelf by shelf. Sipendi kutoa zote at once. Yeah, I'm that lazy at times, eh? So yeah, here I was just removing my stuff to wipe down the shelves. So guys, when I'm cleaning the shelves, I usually dispose the leftover foods that have been staying in the fridge for a while because they tend to smell at times and I don't like that. So after wiping down the fridge part, it was now time to wipe down the freezer, and wiping down the freezer was much easier because ni ice, so like you don't need to wipe a lot. And then I just rearranged my food, like a chicken alone, beef alone, fish alone, like that.
From you.
So guys, I really love this fridge, and it has stayed with me for a while now. Nilibai kitambo, actually when the double door fridge were coming out and the knock fridge were coming out. Kitambo sana, and it's giving us service, and I really love LG products. But one thing I don't like about this fridge is that it will show marks. It shows that very easily, like on the surface, on the outside, it usually shows that very easily. So you usually have to wipe it every day, and then hii kioo ni must uipanguze vizuri or else it will show marks. So that is one thing I don't fancy about this fridge. But apart from that, the fridge is just goals.
Darling, don't you know that you're wearing your fins? Don't think us, baby, I'm 500 miles in, and I'm tying ring. Just let me in.
So guys, I have already cleaned the fridge. Juju nimesema I won't deep clean it because this fridge is so huge. Inatakanga kujitolea ndo deep clean. So I'll just open it up tuone vile kunaka, and it looks like this. I've tried to rearrange stuff here. So yeah, vegetables pale chini, carrots again this side, just like this. I don't like putting a lot of things in the fridge. And I prefer, apart from fruit that we have here, I just prefer buying food directly and cooking. Spendi kuweka vitu in the fridge. What we use most is the freezer. Yeah. So here, again, I've just like pangaed everything here. So fish there, chicken there, and apple we have some peas and meat. Then chini tuko na beans, githeri and such. So that's that. And I think it's clean, eh? It's clean enough, eh? It's clean enough. So that's how it looks. And yeah, it's good enough for me, eh? So guys, I don't know if you can see, this is how my curtains look currently. Yeah, they are dirty. Ni chafu. Yeah, so I just want us to toa. We soak. We can just do a pre-wash in the washing machine. Lost na time ya kufanya hizo vitu zingine zote za ku pre-wash. So yeah, we'll just remove them and we clean them. And again, ini aibu, but yeah, we'll go through this at one time or another.
Cut it off for someone, don't wanna face the truth that I keep making every bad excuse. This ain't even love yet, I can't help but love it. Oh my, I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. My favorite song comes on, I hear you singing loudly. No, you're not really there, so then I roll my windows down and cruise. I'm smelling your cologne, it kinda hasn't hit me, I'm actually alone. Say you're the one, my friends say I'm confused. This ain't even love yet, I can't help but love it.
So So guys, these are the piles of curtains and shears. Aki zinakuanga mob. I remember the day I went to Isili to buy the curtains. I spent a lot on them, quite a lot of money. So these are the whites, like ile white shade ya grey. And again, these curtains are so common. Yeah, so hizi nitaosha peke yake. Hizi nioshe tena peke yake. Like I don't mix them up. Then for the shears, I'll wash them separately also. And you can see how dirty they are. Mamangu akiona hivi. Hey, mamangu anaweza jam sana. She didn't raise us to be like this. But sometimes life happens. Yeah, and maybe we don't have time. Or maybe you're just depressed about something. So you just let everything go. Yeah. But today we are cleaning, guys. We are cleaning. So these are the stuff that we're going to use to clean. Of course, laundry detergent. And I've mixed two kinds of detergent. Lavender and the blue parcel. I've mixed them. But they're parcel. Yeah, both of them are parcel. So we're going to use the colored pods. Again, oxy pods for the whatevers, for the shears. And then I must add the liquid detergent. You too must. As much as I'm using the pods, I must add this. Yeah, and we're gonna use some oxy bleach, especially for these white curtains and the shears. Yeah, so that is a must. Then for the dark shears, we are gonna use some vinegar. Again, fabric conditioner, very important. Then for the white shears, the plain white shears, I'm gonna put some little jig. And then for the others, I'm just going to put jig colored. Yeah, and then we're gonna use some scent boosters because of course, you know, I love everything smelling so nice. Yeah, and also today we are going to use this powder, the blue one, for the white shears, so that you can achieve a very bright white, yeah, on the shears. Like I just want them to be sparkling, not tumejitolea kuosha, So that's that, guys. Let's just start. Pour my soap. Yeah, it goes there. And then we'll just take an oxypod. Oxypods are basically for white clothes. Yeah, so there. And acha nifunge because most of the time I keep forgetting, napata imemwagika kila mahali. And next today I'm using my hand. Next we have the oxy bleach. This is oxy bleach. Ndio hiyo unamwaga hapo ndani. Then today I just feel like using these scent boosters. So guys, these are my first crush when it comes to scent boosters. Aki napenda vile zunuka. Yeah, I prefer this to the rest, yeah. So this is what you're gonna use, and then it gives you service. Like inakaa kwa curtains zako or nets or whichever clothes for such a long time. So mtu akiingia kwa nyumba anasikia tu it's smelling so fresh and nice, So these are the scent boosters. Nimechukua kidogo, but I just need to add like a few. So to add to hivi, because I'm using my hand, So I think those are enough. We remove this awaka thing. And now you just start loading.
Wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you.
So guys, here I just want to put fabric conditioner first, because most of the time mujipata nimeweka jika hapa, then I have to remove the whole thing, and then washing machine yetu imekuwa chafu tena. Yeah, bear with me. So that is jig, and then of course we put a laundry pot, but I usually add detergent. Hiyo tu ni must kwangu, so that maybe I feel like whatever I'm washing imeng'ara poa. Yeah. So we close that. Then we come back here, and what we can do, I just want to do a steam wash to do. So I'll just put turbo, but on a steam wash. Yeah, and it will take 1 hour, 16 minutes as you've seen. Then we just press on, and it will send a notification on my phone once this cycle is completed, and then tutanika we put the next. Yeah, so at least I've shown you how I wash my shears. Next nitaonyesha how I clean the white the white curtains, and then we'll just do the colored after the whites. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm obsessed with you. Yeah, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself.
so guys, you can see how clean the shears were. They were completely white, and then here I was just putting like the white curtains now. And what I do is just the same process: scent boosters, laundry pod, chini juu. I'll just place the detergent again, because I keep on telling you, as much as I'm using the laundry pod, it's not enough for me. I usually add the liquid detergent, and then I don't like the powder detergent because it leaves residue on your clothes. So yeah, that is why I prefer the liquid detergent. And then hapo juu pia nika add fabric conditioner and jik. So guys, I decided to hang these shears and show you how white and bright they are. And then I was hanging them like this because my dog is so naughty. When you hang clothes at as a pull down, she'll pull down the clothes. That is why I hang them like that. But I just wanted to emphasize on how clean they came out. Yeah, you don't need like to soak your curtains or shears before washing. Just use the steam function or plus the turbo clean function, and they will come out sparkling clean. Again, you can see these whites zimetokea safi sana, and this is now what I'm doing nowadays. I don't pre-soak my curtains when washing or while washing.
No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels so good. I know it's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Oh my, I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good.
So guys, here I was doing my third load of curtains, and again, this is what I consider as colored curtains to me, because you can see like easy colors go mixed up. And then what I do is put a colored laundry pod, then I add in bicarbonate of soda. The reason why I do add it is because I don't want the colors running and then they mix up into each other. Yeah, and then the normal process again of just adding your detergent, fabric conditioner, and jig color, and you're good to go. Put it on steam clean, turbo clean, and you're just good to go. Yeah, so my curtains came out so clean on this day, and they were smelling so nice. I was so happy about it. And yeah, guys, I really appreciate you for watching, and I'm gonna see you next time.